Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the manual remote control on the Philips HomeRun 5000 series. To do it, click on Settings in top right corner, then scroll down and you'll find Remote Control. Now, as you can see, you can use it to control your robot manually. You can move it forward, so it'll slide out of the charging base right now. Although I don't see it moving, I may need to move it back, or it is currently not going anywhere. Okay, now it started going. Okay, so I need to hold it for a little longer. Although it is not going anywhere right now. Okay, now it started. Okay, yeah, now it has started. I can go forward, I can rotate. I can do spot cleaning in the place where I am right now, or tap return to return to the station. Although it doesn't do that right now.
Cleaning resumed. Exit remote mode.
I'll do return here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.